As you're going through your problems, let's go to our page that we're on. I've already run through these, so we're now on the review exercise. So let's go ahead and do this first one. I'm going to clear the denominator. I'm going to multiply everything by 7 first. So that's going to clear the denominator. So you get a minus 5 is equal to 6. Add 5 to both sides, so you get 11. Problem number 3, let's go ahead and clear the denominator. So I'll multiply everything by 6. So that's going to cancel 2/3 times 6. That's 12 times 3, or 12 over 3, which is 4x, plus 6x over 2, which is 3x, equals 42. So I get 7x equals 42. So x is equal to 6. Problem number 5, let's clear the denominator. So the number that 4 and 3 have in common are 12. So I'm going to multiply everything by 12 on this one. So I'm going to get 36 over 4, which is 9. I'm going to get 12 over 3, which is 4z. And then 1/4 of 12 is 3. Subtract 9 from both sides. Subtract 9 from both sides, so I'm going to get to -6. So z equals 6 over 4, which reduces to 3 over 2. Problem number 7. Let's go ahead and clear the denominator. We'll multiply everything by 24 because 3 and 8, that's the smallest number they have in common. So that's going to give me 48 over 3, which comes out to 16x. On this next one, I'm going to get 8 goes into 24 3 times. So that's 3. 3 times 5 is -15x. And then 2 times 24 is 48. So if I subtract those, I'm going to get x equals 48. Number 9, I can multiply everything by 2. That's my common denominator. So 2 times -1/2 is -x. 2 times 3/2 is 3 over 2x. And then 20 times 2 is 40. So that gives me 2x is equal to 40. So divide both sides by 2. So we get x equals 2. Problem number 11. We're going to go ahead and multiply everything by 12 because 4, 3, and 6 all go into 12, which are our denominators. So I'm going to multiply everything by 12. So 12 times 3x, that's going to give me 9x because the 4 goes into 12 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. And then minus 4 goes into 12 3 times. 3 times -1 is -3x. And then 3 goes into 12 4 times. So 4 times 5 is 20. And then 6 goes into 12 twice. It gives me 50. Combine like terms, so I get 6x over here. Subtract 20. So I get to 30. Divide each side by 6, so I get to 5. Number 13, I'm going to multiply everything by 4 to clear the denominator. So that's going to give me 8x. Half of 4 is 4, so I get 4x there. And then 4 times 2 is 8. And then 9/4 times 4 is -9x. And then 4 times 52 gives me 208. And then combine like terms, so 8x minus 4x is 4x. 4x minus 9x is -5x. I'm going to add, or I'm going to subtract 8, so I get to 200. So divide each side by -5, so I'm going to wind up with x is equal to -40. That takes care of that.